Hi everyone, you're welcome to Arise for Nature, Easter Family Group taking place at the Lekki Conservation Center, Lekki, Lagos. My name is Nse and I'm here to take you on a tour to discover the wonderful works of nature here. How's it been so far? How's the experience been?
Amazing and awesome place. The canopies, everything is amazing. There's barbecues and grilled plantains and the coconuts, the fresh coconuts. It's amazing. Everything is amazing.
Let me guess. So whenever you're in Lagos, you make sure that you stop by here.
Yes.
Is it your first time here, or you've been here a couple of times?
Second time.
Second time.
Second time, yes.
Okay, so what made you to say, okay, let me come back here? You know, it's fun and it's all that.
Yes. Or always. If I've been in Nigeria and Lagos, I will come back.
So far so good. This is actually my third time here, and third time in LekkiConservation Center. I like it a lot. It's a very nice place, very pleasant. Food is good. Prices are really good, and this somehow gets you to a real Nigerian experience.